We are going to continue with linear programming paper 1. So write the inequalities that define the adjacent region R on the XY plane below. So we need to extract four inequalities from this diagram graph. So we are going to label the lines. Let's say this is line 1, line 2, line 3, and then this is line number 4. So we start with the line number 1. How do we get the inequality for line number 1? So we need to know where this line passes. This line is passing through the y-axis. This line is cutting the y-axis at y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. Now we need to determine the symbol that is appropriate. So now which part has been shaded? So we are the part that has been shaded is upward. So this is the unwanted region. Then below the line, that is the required region. So now up is greater or equal to, then downwards is less than or equal to. So we are going to use the part we are going to use the symbol lying in the part or the region that is not shaded. So the part that is not shaded is below. Which symbol is less than or equal to? So y, where there is equal sign, we put less than or equal to 3. Now let's try to extract the other inequality for line number 2. Line number 2 is this one. So now where does this line pass through? This line is passing through x-axis. It's passing through the x-axis at x is equal to what? X is equal to 2. So this line passes through the x-axis at x is equal to what? At x is equal to 2. So now let's try to extract the inequality symbol. So now the part that has been shaded is forward. Forward means greater than or equal to. Then backwards is less than or equal to. Now, which symbol are we going to pick? It's the symbol that lies in the new region. So the new region is the part that is not shaded. And what symbol is this? Less than or equal to. So where there is equal sign, we put less than or equal to 2. Now let's try to extract the inequality for line number 3. This is line number 3. Where does this line pass through? This line is cutting the y-axis at y is equal to -1. This line is cutting the y-axis at y is equal to -1. So now the part that has been shaded is below. So below means less than or equal to. Then above the line means greater than or equal to. Which symbol are we going to pick between the two? Is it the symbol on the part that is shaded or on the part that is not shaded? Is the symbol that is found on the part that is not shaded? In this case, the symbol is this one. Y. So where there is equal sign, you put the symbol y is less than or equal to -1. Now let's try to find the other inequality for the last line, which is this one. How do we extract the inequality? So now this line is not a straight line. It's neither vertical nor horizontal. But whenever we are dealing with horizontal lines and vertical lines, it's very easy for us to extract the inequality. But for this line which is slanted, we need to get 2 points. We need to get a point here, and another point will be gotten from here. This line is passing through this point. This point is -2, 0. This is -2, 0. The other point where this line passes through is this one. This is 0, 2. This is 0, 2. After that, we need to label the coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we calculate the gradient. The gradient of this line is, this is the formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The gradient is equal to y2 is 2 minus y1 is 0. x2 is 0 minus x1 is -2. So the gradient of this line is equal to 2 minus 0 is 2. Negative times negative is positive 2. m is equal to 2 into 2 is 1. So the gradient of this line is 1. Now, what follows next? What comes next? So, having calculated the gradient, we apply the formula for the equation of a straight line. Y is equal to m x minus x1 plus y1. So you say y is equal to m is the gradient. The gradient is in 1. X minus x1. x1 is negative 2. Plus y1. y1 is 0. Y is equal to, this is 1. X, negative times negative is positive 2 plus 0. This is y is equal to 1 times x is x plus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 0. This is y is equal to x, 2 plus 0 is 2. Now we need to determine the symbol. So the part that has been shaded is above. Above means greater or equal to. Then the part that is not shaded is below. Below means less than or equal to. Now, which symbol are we going to pick between the two? Is it the symbol on the part that is being shaded or on the part that is not shaded? Of course, it's the symbol that lies on the part that is not shaded, because the part that is not shaded lies in the real region. So we need to pick the symbol, this symbol. So y less than or equal to x plus 2. So these are the 4 inequalities. Thank you very much.